In the ever-evolving world of cinema, a new debate has emerged, pitting technology against tradition. The rise of artificial intelligence in film restoration has sparked a heated controversy, with some hailing it as a breakthrough in visual clarity and others decrying it as a desecration of the original artwork. Today, we'll delve into this contentious topic, exploring the pros and cons of AI-enhanced movies and what it means for the future of cinema.
Section 1. The AI Revolution in Film Restoration. In recent years, AI has made significant inroads in the realm of film restoration. Machine learning algorithms like those used by Parkroad Post-Production have enabled filmmakers to painstakingly refine their classic works, removing imperfections and enhancing visual quality to unprecedented levels. James Cameron's blockbusters such as The Abyss, True Lies, and Aliens have undergone this AI treatment, resulting in ultra-high-definition releases that showcase every detail in stunning clarity.
The proponents of AI-enhanced restoration argue that these techniques allow audiences to experience films as they were meant to be seen, free from the limitations of older technology. Jeff Burdick, a senior vice president at Cameron's Lightstorm Entertainment, believes that these restorations represent the best these films have ever looked. The AI algorithms meticulously scan each frame, identifying and correcting flaws, from tiny scratches to focus issues, ultimately delivering a pristine visual presentation.
As we explore this topic further, we'd love to hear your initial thoughts. Do you believe AI has a place in film restoration, or should the original versions be preserved as is? Let us know in the comments below.
Section 2. The Backlash against AI enhancements. However, not everyone is thrilled with the results of AI-enhanced restorations. Critics argue that the use of artificial intelligence fundamentally alters the look and feel of these classic films, stripping away their original charm and character. The pristine, almost plastic-like appearance of AI-enhanced visuals has been described as uncanny and unreal, with some viewers claiming that it no longer resembles the film they fell in love with.
The journalist Chris Person, among others, questions the necessity of using AI to enhance films that already looked fine in their original form. He suggests that the use of AI in cases where the source material is intact and undamaged is more of a gimmick than a necessity. The smooth, glossy appearance of AI-enhanced films has drawn comparisons to the unpopular motion smoothing feature found on many modern televisions, which some viewers find jarring and unnatural.
Moreover, there is a philosophical debate at play here. Purists argue that a film should be preserved as a product of its time, with all its imperfections and limitations intact. They see the use of AI as a form of revisionism, altering the original artistic vision and compromising the integrity of the work. Just as we wouldn't repaint the Mona Lisa with brighter colors or smoother lines, some believe that classic films should be left untouched by the hand of artificial intelligence.
Section 3. Separating AI fact from fiction. Amidst the heated debate, it's essential to clarify some misconceptions surrounding AI in film restoration. Contrary to popular belief, the AI used in these processes is not the same as the generative AI employed in apps like Midjourney or ChatGPT. Generative AI creates entirely new content based on user prompts, while the AI used in film restoration focuses on refining and enhancing existing visuals without introducing new elements.
Eric Yang, the founder of Topaz Labs, an AI upscaling company, emphasizes that AI-enhanced restoration does not measurably change the meaning or content of the image. It simply adds more pixels and polishes the pre-existing visuals. This distinction is crucial in understanding the role of AI in film restoration, as it highlights the difference between enhancement and alteration.
However, the stigma surrounding AI in the film industry persists. Recent controversies, such as the use of deepfake narration in the documentary Roadrunner and the backlash against AI-generated imagery in the horror film Late Night with the Devil, have further fueled the skepticism towards AI in cinema. As a result, many filmmakers and studios are reluctant to openly discuss their use of AI in restoration projects, fearing negative public perception.
Now that we've clarified some misconceptions about AI in film restoration, I'm curious to know if your opinion has changed. Do you think the distinction between AI enhancement and alteration matters, Or does any use of AI compromise the original work? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Section 4. The future of AI in cinema. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the role of AI in cinema is likely to expand and evolve. While the current debate centers around restoration and enhancement, the potential applications of AI in filmmaking are vast and far-reaching. From script analysis and pre-visualization to performance capture and visual effects, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way films are made and experienced.
And still, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more prevalent in the film industry, it's crucial to establish guidelines and best practices to ensure that it is used ethically and in service of the art form. Filmmakers, studios, and audiences alike must grapple with the philosophical questions raised by AI in cinema, balancing the desire for technological advancement with the preservation of artistic integrity.
The future of AI in cinema is both exciting and uncertain. While some may view it as a threat to traditional filmmaking, others see it as an opportunity to push the boundaries of what is possible on screen. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's essential to approach AI with a critical eye, weighing its benefits and drawbacks, and ensuring that it enhances rather than detracts from the cinematic experience.
The debate surrounding AI-enhanced movies is far from settled. As technology continues to evolve and AI becomes more sophisticated, it's clear that this is just the beginning of a larger conversation about the role of artificial intelligence in cinema. While some may view AI as a tool for perfection, others see it as a threat to the authenticity and charm of classic films.
Ultimately, the decision to embrace or reject AI in film restoration lies with the filmmakers, studios, and audiences. It's a complex issue that requires careful consideration of both the technical and philosophical implications. As we move forward, it's crucial to strike a balance between innovation and preservation, ensuring that the art of cinema remains true to its roots while also embracing the possibilities of the future.
Do you believe AI has a place in film restoration, or should we preserve the original versions as they are? What do you think the future holds for AI in cinema? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going.
If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please give it a like and share it with your friends who are passionate about movies and technology. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest developments in AI in cinema, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.
Do us a favor and please hit subscribe, and maybe even tell a friend. Now let's keep the discussion going, taking a look at